Hi, today I'm going to submit my final project design, and this is my third submission. And earlier I had a rejection because there were a wrong mobile project folder submission. I did it in a 2019 folder. I did not do it in a 2020 folder. So currently I have moved that to the 2020 folder, and you have the codes in my GitHub in the 2020 folder. So today I'm going to show you my final project where the requirements are going to be met. And so this is my code base, and this is my so the code base. Today I will show you the first thing was asked to me complete the user regex, user network call, have one stack navigator, one tab navigator. And then so let me go from this. So I've used a regex for action creators, and then in action creators we have all the fetch ingredients, do a network call, and then for each diet recipes everything has a network calls done, and we have the reducers, and we have the store creators. And then we next part is the navigation part, where we have used about three tab navigators, like the bottom tab navigators, and then we have each stack navigators for each screen is into a stack navigation. So that's the pretty much code. So this is the navigation file, and these are the action files, and then these are the screen files where the stack navigators are coded. And pretty much I have all the screens enabled for a actual recipe search finder, and then we have then components separately coded for the buttons. So this is pretty much my code. So let me go through the code base, actual app live. So this is called the Run Food. It's a recipe finder app. So where we do a fetch for action creators, do a fetch for a random recipe first here for a number of 20 recipes, and then we show here, and then on click of it, we get it based on the recipe, what recipe, and then we have all the, and then we have an ingredient based search. You can see get all your ingredients. This is a stack navigator, so you can come back, and then based on the ingredients, you can go and search your thing, like these are the recipes for an ingredient. And then we have the next category tab. Even we have categories like ketogenic, gluten free, paleo. Based on this categories, you can get to your fetch your diet. So that is handled over here, diet recipes. um, so on clicking on this, you get the recipe, you go to that specific recipe. There you can go and search based on your ingredients. These are the tab navigators, and then we have a search feature where you can search and get the recipe based on that search, and from there you can go and you can even fetch the things. So basically it is an recipe finder app where you can get a random recipe, you can fetch based on your categories, which is allowed, and you can even search and find your recipe. So you can even search for different queries like mayo, it goes and searches. So this search is handled over here. And you can see the action creators, the call is done, the search, and each recipe call is done, and each screen is maintained. It's having a components, and it is navigators or handle here. So this is pretty much my app, which is an whole recipe finder app. Um, this is a short video, so I'm just wrapping up now. So we have like specific to ingredient, specific search, everything. So this is my app. So this is the final app I'm submitting. Thanks for watching. I'll show you in final round of my app. So let me show you. So you come in, you see cheesecakes, you like this, you go to your ingredients, you search on your ingredients, you get recipes based on your ingredients, and you go to your categories where you can have different categories. I like desserts, then you fetch based on your desserts. Until then there is a loading symbol. These categories can be on the fly, can be changed here. You can add it in your data array. You need something extra category, it will on the fly change. Nothing else need to be changed in the code. Just add an extra category, it will go and fetch, and the categories will come over here. And you have the search where you can search whatever you want. Chicken, it's going to fetch it. So that's pretty much and recipe finder app with Spoonaclo API. Yeah, thanks for watching. I have implemented all the features told in the stack navigator, tab navigator, Redux, and then I think this is pretty much a good app.